your rib cage. This is called postural neuroendocrinology. There's a mouthful for you. But most of us this day and age have what's called a closed and a flared rib cage. It's from like typing like this too much and short breathing. So we kind of only breathe in our stomach. So when your rib cage is closed like this, it's going to actually increase your cortisol. So that's your stress. And it's going to decrease your testosterone, which is like the aggressive energy that flows through us. So when you open your rib cage, and you raise your arms, that basically allows you to have what's called a calm dominance posture.